besties. As y'all can tell by today's title, y'all gonna be spending a day with me. So y'all gonna see what we doing in the title. So I really ain't gotta explain it, but we just gonna have a fun day. High spirits. We're not gonna have no expectations, because when we have expectations, it's a possibility you'll get let down. So when you plan your days, don't have no expectations. Just say you want to have fun and you want to enjoy your day. And that way, if the day go good, it's gonna go good. If the day go bad, you ain't have no expectations. So let me show y'all what I got on. Let me prop y'all up right quick. I just got on this cargo skirt. I got some sandals on from Five Below. Shirt, Walmart. Purse, Walmart. Nails, me. Yup. Rings, Crystal Shop, Amazon. This one a little faded. Pandora. Bracelets. Pandora. Hair store. Necklace. Hair store. Earrings. Hair store. Nose rings. Hair store. Girl, y'all ain't asked for this. Y'all did not ask for all that, but I always wanted to do one of them. Even though nobody be asking, because I dress pretty basic. Well, basic. I crocheted this scrunchie, but I didn't do the ruffles big enough, so you really can't even tell. I don't know what's up with me in white lately, but I just been loving like a clean, fresh white tee. It just really do it for me. So I'm about to go to Michael's first, because we gonna do like some, me and my sister gonna do like some DIYs tonight. So we gotta go get some craft stuff. And I'm gonna go look at the yarn. So y'all know y'all know when I go to the craft store, I have to go look at the yarn. It's no yarn store, it's no craft store without me walking over there to the back to go look at the yarn. Like, I cannot even possibly do that. And another thing, before we go, I made these crochet hooks. I tried to do like a junk crochet hook. Can you focus? It low-key look a mess. They came out okay. They're not the cutest, but they're not ugly. They could have been worse. I should put like some glitter or something in them. But anyways, let's go. So I'm at Michael's. Look at these Karen cakes. They have them on sale. I'm about to get this one because that is so cute, and I already see like a potential outfit. I really want one of the big Karen cakes, but I don't see a color scheme that I like. I got a diamond art kit, and me and my sister, we're gonna do some air dry clay, like some clay work. But that's what we got so far. I'm looking at the yarn. If it's not on sale, I'm not getting it. I see why y'all be buying this brand, the Michael's brand yarn. Like, they got some cute colors. I got this color. I just picked this color up and that color back there because I don't have those colors in my stash. I think I'm gonna get this color because I don't have a color like this. So y'all, as I'm sitting here, I'm literally watching these clips, and I was just gonna add some little aesthetic music to the background, but something just told me to come and talk to y'all. Y'all, going to this art gallery was really like, it was real fun, and it was real cheap too. So, I've been in Louisiana for a long time, and I could have been came. So I just want y'all to know, like, don't wait until you get out of places to start experiencing life. Like, I'm really about to probably start like a solo diaries type of thing, but add my own spin to it because y'all know me, I'm real like crafty and stuff. So it's not just gonna be your typical solo diaries. But going here really just made me look at art differently. And it gave me so much inspiration for my crochet as well. And I went at the perfect time because I'm low-key having like a crochet rut. And this was everything I needed and then some. Like, just seeing the different art pieces and just seeing everything and other people's creations, it just warms my heart because I love all things. Like, I just love that crafty stuff. Like, I always say, if I knew how to draw, y'all wouldn't be able to take me. Y'all wouldn't be able to handle me. So y'all definitely look into finding y'all a little art gallery, especially my girls that crochet or you sew or you paint anything, because you're gonna find that you're gonna get that inspo. Like the paintings, I've seen so many cute color combinations that I can incorporate in my crochet pieces that I'm definitely gonna be borrowing. And it's not stealing, you're borrowing it, and you're just putting your own spin to it. You're not stealing,
borrow and put your own spin to it and make it you, boo. These outings, it has to be interactive. Like stuff like this, I love stuff like this. Like, oh, let me go to make candles, or oh, let me go to a pottery class. So y'all definitely be on the lookout, because we definitely will be adding more little trips like this to our journey, because I want y'all to experience it with me. And some things y'all won't experience with me, but I'm still gonna, fill y'all in, because y'all my craft besties and I love y'all. So y'all, it's Sunday. I went to the art gallery yesterday and then I didn't pick the camera back up. So yeah, I went shopping. I was gonna say thrift. I went shopping. I got this Juicy Couture bag from freaking TJ Maxx. It was like $30, but I've been wanting this Juicy Couture bag for so long. And they got the thing. They sold out outside, but it's so cute. Definitely was getting. And y'all saw the yarn I bought yesterday. That's not important. And I'm gonna do this today. I think one of my craft besties commented and said that I look like I would do diamond art. And once I seen that it was keychains, y'all know I had to get it. It gave Lisa Frank. That's exactly why I picked this one out, because it just gave very much my childhood Lisa Frank. I was one of them. So I also got this Juicy Couture wallet, and look at the detail. Like, that is so cute. And it was only $12.99. Yep, real cute. I got these pins for my purse. I want to start collecting pins. I love cherries, and this one is just like an insider for one of my friends, and this one was just cute to me. So then I got this little eyebrow gel thing, because I got my eyebrows laminated because my best friend, she's an esthetician, and I just love that look. But I just got this. I got that from Target. I got a bracelet, real cute. It matched my Pandora bracelet, kind of like the little. I love bracelets that have stuff like that, because my wrist is kind of little, not gonna lie. And I got this necklace. So cute. Look at the flower and look at the opal crystal. Oh my gosh, so cute. Sure, if I had showed y'all the purses that I wanted to put the pins on, but these purses went viral on TikTok and I found them at Walmart. This one was like 19, and then the one I had on yesterday was like 15. So I want to add pins to them. I want to just start collecting pins. I love denim purses. Like, they're just so cute to me for some reason. So I went to Ross and I got this like crop top, and the line was so long in there, like I almost walked out, but I just know these shirts is so cute. Y'all know I had to give me one of these. I'm so obsessed with these type of shirts over the summertime. Like, I just love having my arms out, and it ain't crop tops. I love crop tops, if y'all don't know already. And I just got it in green as well. Good cops, good cops, good cops. So yep. Look at the purses, and I got my Juicy Couture book set. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Perhaps I just need to stop leaving the house, because when I tell y'all I left the house, I was like, I don't need nothing. Girl, I found me something to get. I found me something. All weekend I spent money. All weekend. Like, it's like when you leave the house, you're gonna spend money. It's the air outside. It's not you, it's the air outside, trust me. Cause I did not need any of this. Bestie. Long time no see, y'all. I haven't picked this camera up. I can't even tell y'all when the last time I picked this camera up. But your girl, I've been in a rut. I haven't feel like crocheting. Like, I've been crocheting orders and stuff, but that's about it. I haven't been crocheting nothing fun that I actually want to crochet in a minute. Like, the last thing I crocheted for myself was some shorts, some cargo shorts. I'm gonna try them on probably tomorrow. But I've been reading, so I wanted to kind of tell y'all the ones that be asking me like my reads and stuff and what I be reading. Y'all follow me on Goodreads. My Goodreads it's gonna be in the description. But it's Annihilating. All my socials are Annihilating. So I've been buying books. I've been reading on my Kindle. I've been finishing books. And it's so crazy because it's like I get out of one rut and I get in a rut with my other hobby. And it just be a lot. It be a whole bunch. So books that I just bought. I ended up buying and I've been going to the library more lately, and I love that for me, because y'all go to the library. Don't ever feel like you can't go to the library, because the library be having a lot of new books. I finished this book real fast. Like, I ate it up. 400 plus pages. I ate this book up. I ate it down. And guess what? Guess where I got it from? The library. I think I said that earlier, but I got it from the library. But I ended up buying it on Kindle So I have it on my Kindle too. I will show y'all my Kindle in the car. I ended up buying it on Kindle too so I can annotate, because it was just hidden. It was hidden too good not to annotate. You know a book hidden when you gotta annotate. And I don't even annotate. I don't do none of that. So I read that. 5-star. 5-star. 5. A lot of people ain't like it, but I loved it. I love not Kennedy Ryan. I love Ashley, so I bought This Could Be Us by Kennedy Ryan. I have Before I Let Go, but my mama reading it. She have this thing where she like reading the books I read. I knew I wanted to buy this book. I feel like something just been telling me. I had a dream about this book and everything, and then when I woke up, I just went ahead and went buy it. I went and bought it because I'm just so excited to read it. So this is on my TBR for July, and then I just bought this today. Magnolia Parks. I'm gonna start this series. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a series girl. Like, I love series. Hence, like, I eat a series up. Don't let the characters be likable. Like, don't let me like the whole friend group. Like, I love series. Like, I don't know, and I think it's because I don't watch TV no more. So I would binge watch TV shows in like a day or two, a week. Like, give me a week and I'll be done with the show. So this is a series. The series was good, and I don't know if y'all watch Shaughnessy. I love her videos, and she always talking about Magnolia Parks. So I'm gonna read it because I'm easily influenced. So that's my books that's on my TBR, and I'm currently reading The Art of Scandal by Regina Black. I think I don't have my Kindle, so I can't really tell y'all, but I'm currently reading that and I like it. It's good. It's not something I would have picked out, but I just randomly started it, and I've been putting my Spotify premium to use, so I've been listening to audiobooks too. So I also finished The Perfect Ruin by Shonora Williams. 5-star. No, I think I gave it a 4-star. It was good, but it wasn't as good as The Other Mistress or The Wife Before. It wasn't as good as those, but it was good. It kept me on my toes, but it didn't keep me on my toes at the same time. Like, this is not something I would read if I was in a rut, you know. It's like one of them palate cleansers or whatever they be saying. I got this from the library too, so I gotta go back to the library and return a lot of these books. I'm also reading, and yeah, I know y'all probably like, dang girl, you reading a lot of books right now. I finally came to the conclusion that I'm a mood reader. So I be wanting to give certain vibes. I be wanting to read certain things at a certain time. And so that's where the multiple books help me get out of my rut. And I also feel like that's another tip for when you're in a crochet rut. When you're in a crochet rut, y'all, crochet multiple projects. Have multiple projects. Like, have you a big project, a little project, da 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 da. You know, they say that the greatest advice is the advice you need to take yourself, and it's some advice I need to give myself, and just start a whole bunch of crochet projects so I can get out of my rut. But currently reading this too. It's good. I haven't really started like sitting down to read the physical book. I've been listening to it on my on Spotify, but it's good so far, and it's by a Black author. So that's another thing for my TBR. I'm trying. It's taking everything in me to get into it, but I can't get into it. And I'm torn between forcing myself to read it or DNFing it. But I also been listening to it on Spotify, so I don't think I'm a DNF it. I think I'm just gonna listen to it. And that's another thing for y'all. If y'all have issues getting into books, if you have a Kindle, try reading it on your Kindle. Even if you have Libby, you can read books for free on Libby. Read the digital, book. Read the physical book. Listen to the book. Like, it might not be that the book is bad. You probably just don't have the patience to sit there and physically read it. So try out all mediums before you just say the book was bad, Because this book was kind of boring, but I listened to it and I was intrigued. I was in awe, and I finished the book in like a day. So probably like 2-3 days I finished it. So definitely look into all things. It's so weird how I switch from one rut to another rut, but at the same time, you always have to give yourself time to miss your hobby. Like, sometimes you might get burnt out of your hobby. Stop doing it. Stop doing it and watch how you see how your life revolves around that one little hobby. Like, I miss crocheting. Like, I'm still crocheting orders and stuff, but I haven't really crocheted nothing for me.
give yourself time to miss it. I haven't really been hard on myself about it. Like, that's why y'all didn't get no video last week, because I didn't feel like crocheting. But we did hit 12K. We hit 12K craft besties. Like, I love y'all. I love all of y'all. I'm excited. I've been reading. I finished Luca. That was a good read. I don't know if I rated it 5 stars. I think I rated it 4. It was just too long. It ain't need to be that long, honestly. I'm a book girl. Like, I have like 2 of the most, like, I wouldn't say boring hobbies, because they're not boring hobbies, they're really fun. But I will say, for y'all looking to get into hobbies, definitely try every hobby there is to try. Like, try every hobby. Let me show y'all another. Told me to get into diamond, what is it called, diamond painting, diamond art. And I started it, and it is very fun. This is bookmark, so it's real on brand. That's another thing, y'all. Try hobbies that, like, they just not collide, not crash. What's the word? They correlate with each other. Like, I like reading, so I'm trying a new hobby, but it's still like book related. You get what I'm saying? I didn't finish it. I still have to do like a little bit, like this part and this part. But for the most part, I finished it, and it's so cute. It's giving Lisa Frank. Like, I got it from Michael's. I think that part is in the beginning of the clips, but I got it from Michael's, and I think I might have a new hobby. I still got 2 left to do, but I love this. I can't wait to finish it so I could put it in my book, and I could be like, oop, I made it. Like, it was so fun. You gotta find some new hobbies. Like, hobbies really keep you sane, y'all. Hobbies. But literally, like, hobbies can really save you from yourself. Because sometimes you really don't feel like crap. You just need a new hobby. The world is not ending. You just need a new hobby. Like, you don't hate everybody. You just need a hobby. You're bored. You don't need a man. You just need a hobby. You don't need nothing. You don't need a relationship. You just need a hobby. Like, you're bored. Go get you a hobby, girl. Be mysterious. You know how mysterious, like, going to the craft store is, and you don't know what you're looking for. You just picking stuff up and putting it in the basket. You might meet you somebody. Like, you might meet you a friend. You might meet you, I don't know who you're gonna meet. You never know. But I'm about to try these shorts on that I crocheted. Besties. Okay, I need to have my hair done and stuff, but not even have my hair done, but this pink hat was gonna clash. But these are shorts. I tried to do them like cargo style. Do y'all like them? This was the last thing, like, fun thing I crocheted. I need to steam them, like the pockets and stuff. I should have steamed the pockets before I did them. Well, I sewed them onto the pants, but I didn't because I was being lazy. But yeah, these came out so cute. I actually took my measurements for these, so that's why, like, they fit to the T. Like, they fit perfectly. I don't want to get too close, but they fit perfectly because I took my measurements and stuff. I normally don't do that, but as I was making these, I really freehanded them. As I was making them, it just made me feel like, yes, this is why we take measurements. This is why the girls say learn your measurements, because I'm getting too excited. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to show y'all these, but I just haven't felt like it lately. But they're so cute, and I really want to make me a maxi skirt or a dress, because I feel like if I can make shorts, I can make a dress, I can make a skirt. But I really want a maxi skirt because I've been wearing skirts lately, and I just like the way it look. So I feel like I need a skirt. And these shorts came out so cute, and I love them. Like, the color, everything from the color to the length, I just love them. But anyways, while I have this burst of energy, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this vlog and get it up to y'all, get it to y'all. But y'all already know I love y'all, and we go together. What? We go together real bad. I love y'all. Kisses. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Love you.